Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to clear cache in camscanner on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, of course, just go ahead to this camscanner applications. If you want to see the cache and if you want to clear it, simply just go ahead to this me option at the bottom. After, tap on this more settings, guys. Scroll it down a little. Now go ahead to this free app space, just tap on it. As you can see here, my cache on this camscanner is only 0.34 megabyte, guys. So as you can see here, the cache is not cleaning needed because it's my new applications. So if you want to clear the cache, you just have to tap the button which is clear cache here at the top if you have to clean it. So yeah, I think it's enough guys for me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.